Man, what's happening? Welcome back to the D.I.Y family, man. Hey, we back at it again out here on this homestead, about to, you know what I'm saying, really get into it today. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see what we did in our last video. We cleaned up, finna open up that pathway. Now we gotta get this. Now we gotta get all this. So whole weekend got going. I cut all them suckers down. So hopefully we can get all this stuff up, you know what I'm saying, up out of here real quick. And then, hey, matter of fact, hey, what you doing? Stop right there. Stop right there. Go down, subscribe, like, hey, leave a comment, you know what I'm saying? It's well appreciated. You feel me? Stop playing. But yeah, we about to get to it. You dig? I'll see what she got going on. Snake is not even in season. She don't care.
That needs to be under here.
All right, all right, all right.
Ew,
I ain't got my gloves on.
Where the gloves at, babe?
In the work truck.
Ooh. Daddy, you just did. Oh my God.
Yeah, you cover it up, Coco. Let me do it.
You done like a year ago. I don't want to burn them, but I got to because I ain't got nowhere to do with them. You feel me?
You feel me?
Y'all in the wrong area, destination.
You're not supposed to watch you.
Ha. Ha. Look at, bring on out, boy. I got a big tree. Boy, I got a big tree. Walk to the pie. Just sit beside it. Show them what your muscles do. Show them what your muscles do. Yeah, watch outside. Pick up on the end on the side. Help him outside. You got it?
Yeah.
You sure? Real soldier. Move side. Move out the way, let him get it. Yeah. Boy, I got a big one. Yeah. Y'all see the length of it. Just sit it right there by the pile. I throw it up there. Boy, I got that big one. He just lost a little piece or two. Y'all seen that, boy? Showing your muscles. Showing your muscles.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
We'll work with it. Oh, that's you? That's a little baby powder right there on you. Yeah. 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 Ah. I'm getting old, folks. Yeah.
Dad, you need some help.
Ah. So you trying to show out, huh? Boy, trying to show out. I said, Dad, you need some help. But I'm back in the day, boy, young boat. Let me show you something, young boat. Back in the day, I used to got you feel me?
Boy, if you don't.
Take it like that back in the day. You feel me? Back in the goddamn day. Put them up there like that. You feel me? Need some help. Why do this?
Stop it. Get some help.
Boy said you need some help, Pa. My real soldier. Oh, Captain Morgan, you did.
Daddy, that was a big tree.
Yeah. No kizzy.
I'm gonna go pick up another.
No kizzy. I might keep this.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, I might got doing keep this. I don't know if y'all can see it. I might save it for some smoke wood right there. What I'm gonna do with it, I'm gonna sit it against the tree. Yeah. Firewood right there. Yeah, firewood. I got the rest of these right here. Then I got those two over there. I still got something in the barrel. But we're trying to clear this area up right here, then I can go with my weed eater, chop that down. We did that side. Y'all already seen that. Got that up. We're just trying to clear it up. Get them out of there, people. That we do. We got one more. This the big one. This the root of all evil. Yeah. Hold it. Hold it. You got it? Okay.
Stop it.
Okay. You got it? All right, watch out. Let me balance it. Remember what I told y'all? We get it up from the root to the tootie. You live with your legs, not your ass.
No, God, please, no!
Woo! Let me I don't know about this. This is big boy.
You want me to help you, baby?
It's big boy. It's big boy.
Now watch out, baby. Watch out.
Woo! Woo!
Boy, if you don't... That's the only one she can get today. We're about to try to do some work right here and get some of that down. You know what I'm saying? Then we'll probably get this side next. You feel what I'm saying? So, she big Hulk. She big Hulk. Her. No, God, please, no!
I tell you, get that nigga. Yeah, hey, we gonna cut it up. Leave right there. Let it prop up on some. Leave it on the tree where the rake is. Look at it, she ain't straining herself. You feel Captain Morgan, you feel me?
Yeah, boy.
Stop playing.
Yep, teamwork.
Teamwork make the what?
Dream.
You already know, it's a dream. I go in there, we gonna grab another. Let King push it. Mobility. Mobility.
Why not finish trying in the game?
Yes, he is.
What you say?
She told me so he ain't a better driver in the game yet.
I think
You gonna help them? They working. They working. I'm the goddamn producer, director, and every situation.
stay right there. We got trees back in there. No kidding. We got a couple trees in there. Bring that a little closer. Personal with it. Y'all look at that chain.
Damn!
I just told her. She don't care.
You can do it!
She don't care. It's all good.
You gotta get it done.
She don't care.
I'm gonna cut it off.
Literally just told her. I told her we doing a quarter and trying to get in so much work out here, bro. I'm telling you. They did that right there. Shit, they that right there. Y'all see the difference? Oh, y'all see the difference? You see that? Sensei, what's up?
What's up?
You see that? We just really quartered it out, getting y'all a view of it. You know what I'm saying? Get it out the mud, you know what I'm saying? We got a little, you know what I'm saying, quarter. We really trying to figure out, like, huh? Yeah. We still got this. Y'all see that? Y'all see that wildfire over there? We cleared that.
Well, not all of it.
Not all of it, but it was a mess. Y'all, all them vines and stuff. Y'all see it on the video. But we opened this up. Do it look clear, y'all? I cut all them trees out right there now.
All these stumps,
all them stumps y'all see, I cut them. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna grind it. We're gonna get a stump grinder. And we're gonna come out here and grind it up. Hey y'all, that pine tree right there, that tree, when I first cut this tree, I ain't even get a chance to cut it all the way. I ain't get a chance to cut it all the way before that sucker fell. Let me show it to y'all. This that pine tree right here that she just cut up. How to use that saw? Basically leave it, bleed it. But yeah, when I first cut this pine tree right here, when I first cut this pine tree, I got halfway in and this sucker started falling. I'm talking about falling. Yeah, so we're gonna get a stump grinder out here and we're gonna grind them up. You know what I'm saying? I'm not about to waste my chainsaw blade on just trying to cut it from the bottom when I can just grind it and be done with the stump for good. You feel me? Man, all right, man, y'all already know what we do. You feel what I'm saying? We still cleaning. You feel me? We still cleaning. Hey, we just appreciate y'all for sticking in with the D.I.Y family. We're gonna go and sign out, but first of all, let me put this camera down. First of all, I need y'all to stop what you're doing. Take your remote or take your finger and just hit the subscribe button. Hit it, and hit the like button and the share button. Hey, share with somebody who thinking about getting land. You feel what I'm saying? Who thinking about doing a homestead. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all can see the work that it takes to do what you need to do. Hey, this ain't the end. You feel me? It's just the beginning. You dig?